History of the video games. In 1995, William Higginbotham created a game using an oscilloscope and analog computer. Tennis for Two is the world's first video game. Tennis for Two showed a simplified tennis court from the side, featuring a gravity-controlled ball that needed to be played over the net. The game was played with the two box-shaped oscilloscopes as the monitor for Tennis for Two. In 1968, a group of students at MIT, including the Istor Russell, programmed a game titled Space Force on the PDP-1, a new mainframe computer at the time. The game pitted two human players against each other, each controlling a spacecraft capable of firing missiles, while a star at the center of the screen created a large hustle of craft. In 1966, television became to society. Television is a very popular communication media. So, in this time period, TV games came to the society. In 1971, starting video game console generation. Bushnell and Bradley found Atari in 1972 before released their next game, Pong. Pong was the first arcade video game with widespread success. The game is loosely based on table tennis. A ball was saved the center of court, and as the ball moving toward their side of the court, each player must maintain their paddle to hit the ball back to their opponent. Atari sold over 90,000 Pong machines, creating many imitators. The video computer system VCS from cartridge-based console, later named the Atari 2600, was released in 1977 by Atari. 9 games were designed and released for the holiday season. In 1980, Activision Company created their first game named Battlezone. Battlezone had wireframe graphics. In 1990, Sony invented CD-ROM. This helps to population of video games, and in this time period invented 3D technology. In 1994, 3 new consoles were released in Japan: the Sega Saturn, the PlayStation, and the PC-FX. The Saturn and the PlayStation later seeing release in North America in 1995. In 1996, first 3D game is invented. Its name is Quake. Quake is the first-person shooter game. Before the end of 2001, Microsoft Corporation, best known as its Windows operating system and its professional productivity software, entered the console market with the Xbox. Based on Intel's Pentium 3 CPU, the console used much PC technology to leverage the internal development. Shortly after release in November 2001, Bangle Studios' Halo Combat Evolved instantly became the driving point of Xbox success, and the Halo series would later go to become one of the most successful console shooters of all time. In console gaming, Microsoft stepped forward first in November 2005 with the Xbox 360, setting the technology standard for the generation. Both featured high-definition graphics, large hard disk-based secondary storage, integrated network, and a companion online gameplay and stealth platform with Xbox Live, while both are more expensive than most past consoles. In 2008, social network games began gaining mainstream popularity following the release of Happy Farm in China. Influenced by Japanese console RPG series Harvest Moon, Happy Farm attracted 23 million daily active users in China. It soon inspired many clones such as Sunshine Farm, Happy Farmer, Happy Fish Pond, Happy Big Farm, and Facebook games such as Farm Villa, Farm Town, Country Story, Burn Buddy, Sunshine Ranch, Happy Harvest, Jungle Stream, and Farmillion. The most popular social network is Farmvilla, which has over 70 million active users worldwide. Other popular social network games include YoVilla, Mobverse, Mafia Wars, and Frontier Villa. In June 14, 2010, Microsoft revealed their new Xbox 360 console, referred to as Xbox 360S or Slim. Microsoft made the unit smaller and quieter, while also installing a 250 hard drive and built-in 802.11n Wi-Fi. In November 2010, Microsoft released Kinect in North America and later other parts of the world as a peripheral for the Xbox 360. It was packed with the console's well. It uses a sensor and dual camera device to track the motion and of the player themselves. Became the first motion control system capable of tracking the player in 3D space without a need a controller.